Hi, everyone. My name is Greg Jackson, and really excited to begin this fall semester with you all and to work with Dr. Atkins and each one of you once again. Really enjoyed this past fall. I did my bachelor's of music at Austin Peay State University in Tennessee. That was in composition. Then I did graduate school at University of Alabama in composition theory, and then also a degree in percussion performance. Currently, I'm the director of orchestras at South Cobb High School, and main principal instrument is violin and percussion. So, what I really enjoyed last summer working with you all through this program was building up my research skills. This was an area that I really wanted to get a lot better in. And one thing that I would like to improve with my teaching that I can think of off the top of my head is ensuring that the students understand everything that they're supposed to do, that I deliver everything in a very clear and concise manner. But the most important thing is to help the students to become artists and not just think of them as students that are in the ensemble and helping them to grow and learn different technical aspects, but to actually think of them as true artists. So please feel free to let me know if there's ever anything I can do to help. I'm really looking forward to learning as much as possible from all of you. Thanks. Take care. Bye.